So today I am gonna show you how to do the bokashi. It's quite pretty easy to do, and I'm gonna show you the result from yesterday. I did manage to start my bokashi compost. I will open up this the bin and see what's inside. As you can see here, this is the bokashi barn. What you can do is, firstly, you spread out on the base of the bokashi bin. What I get from the kitchen that need to be compost, and I'm going to chop it very small so it's easier to process. And I'm going to put inside the bokashi bin. This is from yesterday. This is day one. As you can see, the brown thing here. This is the bokashi, and you can also see here. If you can see, let me point out that one. The white mold is okay, so it shows that the process of fermentation is going. So you don't have to worry about that. And if you're wondering, well, how does it smell? It smells like sour, kind of pickle kind of smell. This chopped one, just put it inside the bin. These times are poignant, the winds have shifted, it's all we can do. So every time you add in a new layer, you add in like a handful of bokashi. Just sprinkle all over the top. Women at the center, all vessels open to give and receive. Let's see the system brought down to its knees. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so this is a paper plate. I read few reference in the internet, and they say that it's best to really press down the compost that we are in process of making to make it really airtight and really compact, because it doesn't use oxygen to do the process of fermentation. So what you need is, you can use a paper plate and you can press down in the bucket. Once you do like this, you have done put your food scrap in. So what you do is you just press it down really tight. It's okay if you don't cover it all. The center, you just press it, and when you want to add in more, you just take it out and then press it again. So that's how you do it. Okay, so if you're wondering what is in the bokashi and what's the mixture and everything, so actually it's a mixture of effective microorganism, and also they use molasses, and some use like wheat barn or cocoa peat, and also rice husk. They mix it all together, and then it goes through a process of inoculate all these ingredients together. So they have active microbes in the mixture. So what the food scrap do in your bucket is actually feeding the microbes to produce like more beneficial substance to the compost. And the good thing about making a bokashi compost, you get two type of fertilizer. The one is bokashi tea, which you can get from the liquid that been separate. So you can collect it here. So there will be a liquid that will separate from the compost that you put inside, and this you will see throughout this video. that I'm gonna show the process. So I like it because we get 2 things in one bucket, so it's like 2 in 1 thing. We all like 2 in 1, right? So yeah, so I'll see you in the next video.